Hello Kickstarter, my name is Anton Kononov. I apologize for my English in advance. There are subtitles at the bottom just in case.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Ekaterina Hawthorne. The idea is to project traffic signs on the windshield of a car. They will make more sense for drivers and they will increase safety on the road.
The system immediate road sign display itself consists of two elements. The first element is a digital signal transmitter. It installed on general road signs or traffic light and sends a directed signal to oncoming vehicles. The second element is a color projector receiver. It is installed on the car panel and display the information on a car windshield.
We will now consider in more detail the equipment. Transmitter signal will be produced in two versions. Type A, standard alone transmitter. Silent housing. Directional antenna. Motion sensor. Built-in battery. Solar panel and wind generator. Self-sufficient operation. Socket for universal fixing to the sign. Type A will only be installed on freestanding sign which have no connection to the power grid. Type B, transmitter powered by electricity. Also, Type B connect to the traffic light and transmit signal to the approaching car. It is also made in a protective housing. Directional receiver, motion sensor, to connect to the traffic light and power supply, socket for universal fixing to the sign. The second element is a color projector receiver. It has color display, directional receiver, adhesive tape for fixing, brightness control, power button, power connection. Most of all you may connect to any 12-volt supply.
Transmitter have motion sensor. They can detect pedestrian and transmit dynamic information to passenger car. When a car is approaching a sign or traffic light, the projector receives the signal emitted by the transmit and display the picture. This is the projector. Let's plug it in a regular car socket. Now we are setting it on a panel in front on the windshield. Let's start. We are getting closer to the sign. The projector captures the signal from the sign and depicts the information on the car windshield. There is a person entering the pedestrian crossing. The motion sensor detects the pedestrian and projector transmits an animated image. If there aren't any pedestrian, the signal informs the driver only about the crosswalk. As soon as approaches a semaphore, the signals are duplicated on the windshield.
Therefore, we have two global goals. First one is to place the transmitter on all existing signs. We need to modify the existing copies and prove their effectiveness. Only after that, the government of developed country will agree to modernize road infrastructure. The second important goal is to negotiate with automakers to install projector receiver in all new cars as a standard. Projector will be also available in offline and online store. We believe that in the future this technology can be extended so information of status on the road will be displayed on any car windshield. It could include crossing road marks, dangerous proximity, do not care, bike, humans and pets. All this can become a reality if we use the extended interface and special microsensor. Our main goal is to reduce accidents on the road all over the world. We are looking for your financial aid, but mostly we need your advice, knowledge, communication and criticism. We are ready to discuss all technical aspects and will gladly consider your suggestions. We hope the automakers and electronic manufacturers will join our venture. We also hope that the infrastructure of road sign with transmitter will allow companies such as Google and Toyota to improve development in the field of car without driver. Who knows, maybe the IRSD will help you or your family to avoid an accident. Your support is very important and we are looking forward to working with you. Thank you.